Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 using your phone. And basically we have a few options how to charge using a phone. The first one is to use a cable. So you need to have a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one at the bottom of the charging case. Right here I have a USB-C port. Now we see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now, the second one is to use reverse wireless charging, but your phone should support this technology. So, you need to go to the settings and then choose the batteries. At least on stock Android, I have it in the battery. Right here I have battery share. Firstly, we need to enable this mode, so click on it and click at the slider. Then turn over your phone and put your earbuds at the back side. But you need to find a good position for it. And I found it. We have the LED light. So it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.